guys, we are at Disney's Aulani here on Oahu in Hawaii. This is room 1152, a one-bedroom DVC villa. Has a full kitchen, stove, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator. One-bedroom villas do have a washer and dryer in the unit. Little kitchen table eating area, living room. The couch does have a pull-out bed, and underneath the TV here, this is also a little pull-down bed. Show you the balcony. It's dark right now. I'll do a video at the end of this one in the morning so you can see the view from our balcony. This one bedroom actually has the full extended balcony that goes across into the master bedroom also. The other ones have two little single balconies. Closet area with a safe. King size bed. Of course, the Disney and Aulani touches. Little swan and some plumeria flower clips. Again, this balcony goes out. It's dark now, but I'll show you in the daylight tomorrow. All the way back across to the living room. Going back through from the king size bedroom, we have a jacuzzi tub. Little partition that opens and closes between. Vanity area. Another big closet. Bathroom area with a shower. Has the rain shower. And it wraps back around here, back to the door, back around to the kitchen. And this is a one-bedroom DVC villa here at Disney's Aulani. Stay tuned until the morning, which will be right about now. I'll show you what the view from the balcony looks like. Rain this morning up on the mountain behind us, but this balcony goes from the bedroom continuously all the way over to here for the living room. Some of the other balconies across the way you can see are two conjoined little triangle shapes that aren't actually connected together. There's a ceremonial house, or the check-in. Ama, koi ponds, the lazy river, the water slides, rainbow reef over there, the lagoon, and the ocean view. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.